Panacea Potion Youth Serum is that liquid gold for your skin. It's a non-greasy formula, beautiful radiance enhancing glow, used every morning and night, and that midday pick-me-up. Now this is the most concentrated of all of our products, cold pressed cedar nuts and live resin of over 40%. So make sure you start by shaking it well, as the dragon's blood droplets do tend to fall to the bottom. Make sure you start with your face wet. Now dab a pea-sized amount on wet skin. Upon contact with that skin, you will see the concentrate melt into a beautiful, gorgeous fluid that is effective as both as your primary moisturizer, as a special treatment for skin that is sensitive, inflamed, aged, damaged, acne, irritated. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory and soothes skin in the most beautiful way, providing the perfect level of comfort.